Good morning. It's about 6:30 in the morning here in Jupiter, Florida. I'm going to do a cold start and a driving video with the 4Runner. The 4Runner was sitting in my driveway for about a week while I was up in North Carolina on vacation, so has not been started in a week. See, the power antenna works. Fires right up. No lights on the dash. Except that seatbelt line blanket, and I'll buckle my seatbelt here in a minute. Headlights work, obviously. I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit for a minute. Buckle my seatbelt. Air blows cold. Obviously the radio works if you can hear that, but I'll turn it down. 6:30 in the morning. 123,435 miles. My OCD wants to drive it about, what's that, 21 miles? And we'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll let the new owner do that. All right, let's go for a drive. Shifts into gear, no problem. Transmission shifts smooth. As it states in the listing, I've got a glove box full of maintenance history from a Toyota dealership. I think several Toyota dealerships over its life. Those headlights are on. Wipers work. Had it up to about 60, 65 miles an hour with the lift, wheels, and tires. There's no like crazy wobble or anything that shouldn't give you any cause of concern. I had it up on the highway, no problem. So there you go. 2000 Toyota 4Runner. Appreciate you checking out the auction. Best of luck to everybody. Got a real nice one here. Like I said, I was tempted to keep it, but I just don't have the space at the house or the need. It's more the need for another vehicle, but this does take me back for sure. All right, good luck. Thank you.